In this module, we're going to see the major currencies in Forex. Okay, so the foreign exchange is a market where one currency is exchanged for another currency, and there are currencies quoted in pairs. So let me just write that for you. The currency is quoted in pairs. Each currency is given a three-letter code. For example, USD, Euro, JPY. So depending on which country currency you are dealing with, they always use the three-letter code. This is because of the ISO standards. Now, the major currencies in the world are following. Okay, so let's see. Now, they are in no particular order, but I'm just gonna jot them down. USD, Euro, GBP, Australian dollar, JPY, Japanese yen, Swiss franc is also a big one, Canadian dollars, and New Zealand dollars. So okay, I've listed 8, but these are one of the biggest top 7 or 8 currencies being traded in Forex. Now, from these traded currencies, the major currencies are dominated in the Forex market. All of these, they account for over 85%. So over 85% of all the trades that are done in the Forex industry are based on these and these currencies alone. Of course, there are smaller countries out there and they are also trading, but when the overall trades are valued, the value of all those trades are between these currencies amount to 85% of all daily traded volume. Now, when the currencies are written and quoted, they are written in such format: Euro to USD, USD to JPY, GBP to USD, and so forth. You get the idea. Now, between the USD and Euro, this is the about 30% of all daily traded volume. So these are the two biggest currencies that are being traded with, and once you become a trader, this is a good place to start, including JPY. So because all of the trades are done in this currency, so it is a good two currencies to trade with. Now, the most liquid currency in the world is USD. By that, what I mean liquid is that you can easily cash USD into another currency, because everybody wants a USD. This is like a global currency, which is there's always demand for this, and you can easily trade this into other currencies. So this is the most valuable currency in the world is USD.